Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we're just doing a really quick video just to show you guys that wants the new Galaxy S20 where you can save $280 off the MSRP price off of this phone, guys. So yes, Boost Mobile has a really good deal right now. So if you're looking for the S20 and you've been thinking about getting the S20 for a while and you want to save some money on it, this is the best time to do it. I'm going to show you how you can save $280 off of it. There's no gimmicks, and this is for everybody, current customers or new customers. So like I said, it's going to be a really quick video, so let's get to it. So this is Boost Mobile's website. Just scroll down a little bit, and you can see here where it will say the S20. And look at this. Off the bat, guys, it's $100 off already. So it's $1,000 for the S20. That's the regular price if you go to, Verizon or online or AT&T or whoever. The phone costs $1,000, but Boost Mobile, they have it on sale for $100 off, so you get $900. You get for $900 plus, guys, as well. You can use the code SPRING2020 to save an extra 20% off, which is $180. So $180 plus $100, you're saving $280 off of it. So remember, it's you're saving grand total of $180 off of this. So let me show you. Whoops. So it's 900 then times 20%, that's 180 plus extra 100, so that's 280. Like I said, simple math, but just in case you want to check it out, it's there. So that's not a bad price. This you will get it. Like I said, if you do 180 plus, so 900 plus 180. 720, and then give or take taxes, depends. It's like here where I live, it's 7%. The place might be 7.5 or something like that. So just, check where your taxes, but it's 720 before taxes, and that's not bad at all. So that's an S20 5G compatible. Just check your coverage and make sure you have 5G, which honestly nobody really has 5G. Even the big carriers don't have it nationwide, except for I guess T-Mobile, but they have kind of that like fake 5G, I guess. But you know what I mean. So quick little video, like I said, for you guys, just to check it out, and hopefully you enjoy it. And let me know in the comments if you're thinking about picking this phone up, and if you do, if you are gonna pick it up. Like I said, this promotion ends on the 20th of April for that spring 2020, which saves you an extra 20% off, which is $180. So check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.